Today I'm going to show you how to make a picture frame for this. It's a print, it's about, I don't know, whatever that is, 9 by 16. We're going to use this log. What do you guys think about leaving this one like a little shelf? I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's odd and different, but that's how we're gonna do it. And this is what we got after first coat of clear coat. We'll probably do 2 or 3 of these. Sorry, I forgot to show you when I took it out of clamps, but it's not that exciting. You just unscrew clamps and take them off. Well, this is our final result. It looks pretty good, actually. I'm quite pleased with how the clear coat has stayed on there. And it's a pretty neat picture, too. You'll have to excuse the voice. I got a bit of a sore throat these days, so not sounding 100% normal. But yeah, that's 3 coats of urethane. I really like that finish. It leaves it nice and durable. And then we just added these old rustic nails. They make really good key hooks or what have you. Anyway, we're gonna make another couple of these frames. I'll make a video about that. Probably be a bit more in depth than this one. Thanks for watching.